day 5 of Funemployment. Today we are in downtown, just meeting with some friends to shoot. Right now we're just at Cloud Gardens in the middle of downtown Toronto, where there is a greenhouse right behind us. And yeah, we're gonna shoot. Guys, say hi to my vlog. Say hi to my vlog.
Huh? What?
Shout out your IG, bro.
Mahantra at Fuhisio Studios. If you don't know how to spell that, you're illiterate.
And there's the cutest boy, JUN.
Undercover.
And my new friend here. What was your name?
Josh.
Josh? Josh, I'm Charles. Nice to meet you, man. Are you Korean?
No.
No? Oh shit. So yeah, just holy shit, so dark. Yeah, so just finished shooting, and we're gonna head to JUN's house. Yeah, we're gonna see some doggos right now.
Let's take your stupid inside.
Oh, doggos.
Get inside.
Doggos. Doggos. Hey, doggos.
Get inside.
Oh my god. So cute. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh my god. Oh my god, you're so cute. Oh, you're so cute. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddies. Whoa, why are you so big? Hey, sit your ass down.
Shut the fuck up, Paul. You're not gonna do shit.
Shut the fuck up. Oh my god, they're so big.
Dude, you're blocking
Hey.
my way. Hey.
Smile more when the sun shines bright. Believe me, I need you. Smile more when you blow me up. Smile more when I see your face. Smile more when I feel love. Smile less when I need to let go.
Oh, you're so stupid. Oh my god. So just met up with Don. He got off work because he's an adult and I am an irresponsible adult. So yeah, we're just gonna head to the wine event right now. This time I believe it's for Taylor port wine, and I think there's gonna be food and everything. So yeah, let's go.
Get lit.
Get lit. Don't get too drunk. There's like people that are like professional.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah, it's not. I wish. Yeah, let's go. So today we're having Taylor port. So good. Devin, how are you?
See you, man. My hands are a little dirty. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you.
Yeah, buddy, always.
What do we have tonight?
We have duck terrine grilled cheeses with sour cherry glaze and garlic wilted spinach smoked knots.
Nice.
Thank you. And then I have prime strip loin from Omaha with blue cheese. So I was asked to do like heavier stuff, like ducky stuff, steaky, blue cheesy, mushroomy, cambazole chantal, king oysters. So
That was so good.
having some fun, you know.
Everything was amazing as always, man.
So it's so nice to meet, bro. Man, I kind of put up what I want to eat, right?
Yeah.
Go for it, please.
Chef Devin, MVP. MVP right there. MVP. Always making the delicious food for us.
But they not under me. The fumes on you, swear the smell is so lovely. And I will never sell my soul, but you could buy the lease. And don't believe in make believe, just make.
Just finished the wine event. Don, how did you like it?
Amazing.
It was amazing. And I'm gonna go meet my boys for food, and we just go chill for a bit and see where it goes. Coming with me next time, right?
Next time.
All right,
Guys.
peace. Bye, Don. So what is this? Day like 7 of unemployment. Unemployment countdown day 7. It's currently yeah, man. It's currently 11:19. Albert over here told me he'll come pick me up at 10. But you know,
I'm his like chauffeur now.
yeah, man, my personal Uber. Yeah, we're heading downtown to get some that off-white Nike Presto raffle. Oh man.
A few moments later.
L.
First L. We were just there at livestock. Legit L livestock. But because Albert was too fucking late,
My bad. First L.
we missed.
First L.
They ran out of raffles. First L. Gonna be a second one soon. Watch. We go to Haven and be like, yo, sorry, bro. We're done.
Oh
we're
my
done
god,
too.
it's so pissed.
It's like you came to downtown for no reason.
I'm like, damn.
Just make your ends meet. Say a weekend and a week and never stress a thing. And we gon' go another day when we don't disagree.
Man, I swear, like every sneakerhead came.
Yeah. Literally every single
Every single head came.
Yeah. At least we got one raffle out of 2 places. Yo, size. Wait, size. What should I say?
Yeah.
Oh, I see.
Or 9, but like 8's. It seems easier to like win.
Oh. All right, now we're heading to Markham and get food.
The sun shining regardless if you do believe. Hey, celebrate in the morning when I see your face. Need you more when you go. I need you more every day. Keep a foot on the brake in case I lose all control.
Because tonight I have to go drink again. Literally like every night right now. My life's hard.
Yeah, so baby don't lose control.
Okay, so I'm now at Trinity Bellwoods Park. Just waiting for Josh. I'm not gonna do a lot of shooting today. I'm just chilling. I have an art gallery opening later tonight, so I'm just trying to sneak in a couple hours just to chill. I think Josh wants to learn how to shoot today or something, so I might go teach him how to shoot the camera. I think Mahan's like on the subway right now. He wants to come chill for a bit, so yeah. Yeah, so I was looking through Instagram and I looked at Gallus' picture just now. You guys can see it. You see that outfit? The fuck?
3 hours later.
So this is all the art. And here is one of the photographers. Hey, here's Maiku. Take your time.
This is my gallery. It's like today only. Well, it's up for a week.
Okay.
But like this is the main event.
Yeah.
So enjoy the space.
Thanks. Your Instagram.
My Instagram, Maiku Wong. It's in the description below.
Right here, it's a PTO. Crochet.
You too. Yeah. So like, yeah, boy. Oh shit, sorry. So yeah, we just like finished the gallery event with Maiku. Met some amazing people. Networked quite a bit. And yeah, so we're gonna go our separate ways. He has to go back to Scarborough, I have to go back to Mississauga. And yeah, if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell for notifications, and leave any comments if there— oh shit, there's fucking people fucking fighting and shit. Yo, it's gang shit. Okay, shit, let's go. Alright, peace.